Everyone thinks scaling a business means hiring more people, departments, and Slack channels that you mute immediately. But right now, there are people running 7- and 8-figure businesses completely alone. No employees or agency, no team, just them, a laptop, and a business structure that work for a company of one. Today, I'm walking through 6 of them. And by the end, you'll see the pattern that makes this possible, because it's not luck and it's not just working harder, all right? Let's get into it. Peter Levels has been the poster child for solo businesses for over a decade, and he's still doing it. He runs Nomad List, a community for remote workers, Remote OK, a remote job board, and Photo AI, an AI headshot tool. Photo AI alone hit $138,000 in monthly recurring revenue in November 2025. Remote OK runs at roughly $2 million a year. Nomad List adds another $700,000. That's 3 products, 1 person, multiple millions a year combined. Here's what's easy to miss. He's not running one business. He's running a small portfolio of tightly scoped products that mostly run themselves. No business is trying to be everything. Each one does one job really, really well. I'm Nikita, by the way, with Collective, the back office solution for businesses of one. We make weekly content specifically for solopreneurs. If you're still with me, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss future content. Number 2. In early 2025, Mayor Shlomo, a developer in Israel, started building an app building tool called Base 44. No co-founder. For most of its 6-month run, no employees either. By May 2025, the platform was profitable, sitting at 250,000 users. A month later, Wix bought it for $80 million in cash. Plus, he was on track for another $90 million in earnout payments. Now, credit where credit is due, this wasn't a pure solo story all the way to the finish line. In the month or so before the acquisition, Shlomo brought on 8 employees, and Wix set aside $25 million of that $80 million as retention pay for them. So by the time the deal closed, it wasn't a one-person company anymore. But here's why it still belongs on this list. He built the product, found 250,000 users, and made it profitable, all before hiring a single person. The team came in at the very end, once an acquisition was already on the table. The lesson holds either way. He didn't wait for a team to start charging money. He proved the business alone first and only added people once the outcome justified it. Kat Norton took the least sexy topic imaginable, Excel, and turned it into a multi-million-dollar education business, entirely solo for the first year and a half. She had a $100,000 day in October 2021 from a single course launch. By 2024, the business was pulling in about $2.9 million a year. Still bootstrapped, still built around her. This one matters because it's not a tech startup. It's content plus a product. If you're building an audience and selling something to that audience, a course, template, or service, this is your blueprint, not a SaaS founder's. Danny Postma built Headshot Pro, an AI headshot generator, while working solo out of Bali. The business now runs at $3.6 million a year in recurring revenue. Before that, he'd already sold a previous AI product he built. This isn't his first time doing this, which tells you something important. Once you've built the muscle of shipping fast, testing pricing, and running lean, you can repeat it. It's a skill, not a one-time miracle. You've probably heard of this one, even if you've never heard the name behind it. Eric Barone, known online as Concern 8, spent about 4 years building Stardew Valley, completely alone. The code, the pixel art, music, writing, all of it, while working nights as a theater usher to pay rent. It launched in 2016. Almost a decade later, the game has sold over 35 million copies. And here's the part that actually matters for this list. 8 years after launch, with tens of millions of copies sold, Barone still had only 2 full-time employees. Not 200, 2. This is one of the clearest proof points on this list. One guy, one farm game, a global phenomenon, and he still didn't build a studio around it. He built exactly the amount of team, the work needed, and not a person more. Not everyone on this list is a developer. Sarah Connell left a corporate advertising job, and years later built the Thought Leader Academy, a business helping authors and entrepreneurs build businesses around their own ideas. She set a goal to break $1 million in annual revenue, and she hit it, running the business herself. If your business is coaching, consulting, or expertise-based, this is proof the solopreneur success story isn't only a tech thing. It's happening in coaching, education, and services too. So what's actually going on here? Look at these 6 together and a pattern shows up almost immediately. None of them hired their way to success. They used contractors and tools and AI instead of employees. They stayed narrow. One clear offer, sometimes a few tightly scoped products, never a sprawling org chart. And they treated solo as a design choice, not a starting phase they were rushing to outgrow. That's the real myth we need to bust, that staying small means staying unambitious. The data backs this up too. One-person businesses crossing $1 million in revenue have more than doubled in just a couple of years, and it's not slowing down. None of these 6 started out thinking they'd end up on a list like this. They just started, alone, with not much more than an idea and the willingness to figure it out as they went. That's the part worth taking with you, not the revenue numbers, but the fact that none of it required permission, a co-founder, or a business plan that looked impressive on paper. It just required starting. So if you're building something on your own right now, wondering if it's too small to count, it already counts. And when you're ready to make your business official, Collective will be here. If this inspired you to start building, subscribe and drop in the comments which one of these 6 surprised you the most. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.